dealing with the venom, eliminate 'em. Other words, I'm Minute Maid, I'm bulletproof, another Minute Maid. Got the pen, quill, pitbull, off the chain, blood spill. Amount to the maximum, I massacre, a motherfucking rhyme. Contract killer, Mac 10, back to back, whack, stack 'em. Rachmaninoff, I'm rocking 'em, falling off like a tree leaf. And I'm not gonna low-key, anybody want it with the pen. For me, don't nobody want it, but they're gonna get it anyway. Cause I'm beginning to feel like I'm mentally ill, and I'm addicted to killing, cause it's a thrill. Got a mill in the build and I'm about to spill. It's filled with vanilla gorilla, killer, triller, gimme the vil, and I'll fill 'em with the gorilla. You're dealing with the villain, the killer, the gorilla. You bringing the killer with me, out of me, you don't wanna be the enemy of the demon who enemy be receiving. An enemy, stupid, it'll be a meteorite, hit 'em, beady beady bop. Every bit of an enemy is the epitome of a spitter. When I'm in the vicinity, motherfucker, you better get ducking. Or you dead the minute you run into me. Aye, anybody who wanted, got the artillery. Fooled 'em all, but I'm cruelty free. God damn it, Marshall, you bad motherfucker.